Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to unlock characters in Subway Surfers. So first open Subway Surfer and go to the characters section. Here you'll see the characters that are available on your account. Some characters can be unlocked by collecting the required coins, tokens, keys or other items. You can also unlock certain characters through events, rewards, or limited time challenges depending on what's currently available in the game. And if you're looking for a secret hack that instantly unlocks all characters, then be careful because there isn't a legitimate trick that gives you every character for free without meeting the game's requirement. So the safest way is to use the official unlock methods available inside Subway Surfer. So that was it for today's video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.